Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa entrance ng Dunde Salesi. So yun, naka-queue para magbayad. And here we go, nandito tayo sa Camel. So 50 lira yung binayaran ko niyan guys. So basically mura lang siya, 5 pounds. I have touched siya kung i-convert natin. So ito sobrang natatakot ako kasi it's my first time to see the camel and I'm so proud myself. I ride the camel. It's so cute and awesome. I'm so speechless with that. So here we go guys, bear with me and I hope you enjoy watching while I'm riding the camel. Oh, we go. Ooh, ito yung guide guys, siya yung nagtuturo. Kumbaga siya nag-guide ng camel. That's her camel I think. So yun, nakapwesto siya dyan sa harap, opposite with the Dunde Salesi Waterfalls. So talagang ito ang isa sa mga main attraction sa Turkey ang the camel. Wow, I'm so beyond speechless and one of my bucket lists to ride the camel guys. And I'm so happy to that. Oh my god. I'm so, like, internalize it if it's I'm dreaming or not. Oh my goodness, that's why it is guys. But yeah, I'm so happy. Like a little girl. Dream come true again. So, I hope mag-enjoy kayo guys. So, came along with me and yeah, woohoo, thumbs up. Guys, guess what? Where am I today? I'm in the Waterfalls at Turkey. Such a beautiful weather today, guys. So, are you with me? And let's go inside what's really in here. Okay, and let's have fun. Let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, I have my best friend here. Her name is Dolphin. So here is it. It's a telephone booth, guys. And also, there is a tower in here. I don't know what is really what it's called. It's like a mosque. It's a mosque. One of the first Islamic structures in Antalya. So this is it, guys. Look at this. So wow. Yeah. Such a beauty. It's built in on 1230 and fully reconstructed in 1373. The minaret is 38 meters, so 125 feet high, guys. And it's built on a square and a stone base with floated section and has 90 steps. Do you think, guys, it's a 90 step? But maybe, I know this is just only the illustration, but the real is in here. This is it, guys, in the pictures in here. So they just only this one is just only an illustration sample. So now, guys, let's go and head to the waterfalls. But the area is so huge and I think I'm gonna lost in this area. So let's see. Go. Where are we gonna go? This side. Is this Hadikapao? This is a baliti. It's a baliti tree. I think this is I have there in the Philippines, and the banana as well. We call it paradise plant. Yeah. So let's go this side. So before that we proceed, so this is the illustration. You can find the waterfalls in here. Wow, that's awesome. Good. The Golden Waterfalls were situated approximately 10 kilometers from Antalya city center. Wow, that's awesome. And it splits into two separate routes along Dunde Creek and The route is approximately 7 kilometers from Antalya is the lower Dunde, Carpus Waterfalls, and the route is within 1 kilometer from Barsak in the upper Dunde Waterfalls. So guys, you search it and go, okay? Let's go! There's a parrot, guys. This is the falls. So this is it. Watch really inside. There's a cavern and this one. Have the little bridge here. And it's a playground as well there with the children. And this is the starting with the waterfall. So let's go head in here. Guys, they are the nature lover. Have their fruit lovers, or if you're thirsty or anything, so they have there here the fresh fruits juice as well. So let's go that side or that side. I'm not really close, but let's go this side. Guys, there is a precaution. Do not cross safety barrier. Just only a little bridge in here. So if you have a picnic or everything, just we got the wrong way, guys. So let's go to the other side, which is we can see the main event there. So dito banda guys, ito yung parrot. So pwede kang magpa-photo dyan. And one of the famous parrot in here in Dunde, Salesi. So diyan, magpo-posing, take pictures. And this one, we're going to the other side so that we can see the waterfalls in the top. Okay, so basically guys, nandito tayo sa taas niyan. So we're on the top of that, and we put the barricade in there. Look at the fence. It's very dangerous because it's too cliff, but it's okay. It's manageable, and you can see, the beautiful nature basically. So look at this one. Look at that. The river flow, the currents, and then look at the waterfalls. My God, oh goodness! As you can see, guys. I got goosebumps talaga. It's really nice nature. It's very natural. And I can't really believe that it still exists in Turkey, in Antalya. And there's a small place as well. And along with that, to the end, there's still a river, guys. Wow. Look at the current of that water. Right? And I'm in the top. Hi guys, I'm here now and the waterfalls with the Dunde. So this is the highlights in here. Look at that, the view. And it's not totally not very high, but it's okay. And there's a small there as well, a small waterfalls. And down there below, that's the area in here. That's the view in here on the top of the hill of this Dunde. But we're gonna go downstairs and just see what we're gonna see there. Okay, guys. But yeah, while in here, I'm just enjoying it, and the noise of the water flow is very nice and very fascinating with the ears. And yeah, I'm very satisfied with this view of Dunde. So I didn't know that Turkey have a waterfalls as well, but they have lots of waterfalls, but this is one of the most famous tourists in here in Turkey, Antalya. And see you in a bit, guys, down below. Here we go, guys. Nandito na tayo sa baba. Papunta na tayo sa ilalim ng waterfalls. So look at this. There's a little bit stairs and going inside. And as you can see, there's a cave. So basically, guys, that is a cave inside of that. Before you go through to the bottom part of the waterfalls. As you can see there, the currents of the waterfall. So really amazing and fantastic. So look at that. Oh my God, it's so really nice view, guys. It's a rare opportunity to see this beautiful nature.